Today's interview question: what is HashMap? HashMap is a class in Java which comes under the collection framework. It implements the map interface. You can store elements in the key value pairs by using HashMap. Let's see some characteristics. It uses hash code of the keys to determine the index of the element to be stored. Each element in the HashMap is stored in key value pair. Keys must be unique and values can be duplicated. It allows only one null key and multiple null values in the map. It is not thread safe. For making thread safe, you have to use collections.synchronize map, or you can use concurrent hash map. Let's see main methods of hash map. First one, we have put method. It is used to add element in the map. Second one, we have get method. It is taking key as an argument. It returns the value to which the specified key is mapped, or it will give null if the map contains no mapping for the key. Third, we have remove method. It is also taking key as an argument and removes the element from the map which is containing the key. Next, we have contains key method. It will return true if the map contains the key. Then we have contains value method. It will return true if the map contains the value. Then we have size method. It will return the size of the map. Then we have isEmpty method. It will return true if the map is not containing any element. Let's see example. So I am creating the HashMap class object, string data type as key and integer data type as value. Here I am adding elements to the map by using put method. Here you can see elements are added in the map. We will discuss later about the internal working structure.